Right. Where are we going with this? Okay, all right. Let's see. Okay, guys, welcome back. And yeah, I know I've been away for too long, and yeah, just some family issues going on. People dying, people going to the other place, but and people coming out of the woodwork too. But we'll just continue, yeah. And I've just actually flown in from Greece now, so I'm kind of a bit all over the place. But I really want to get back on this and let you know what I'm doing and what the updates with Omikami, Rio Jin, and all the other meme coins, yeah. So yeah, I've just got a bit of music radio in the background just to ease us in because I'm a bit worse for wear. But let's just see how this goes, yeah, and tell you what I've been doing. So I've bought this one. I think that I was looking at. I don't even know now. Where am I going with this? Sora. Did I buy this one? I think I bought. When it wants to. When it wants to. Yeah. I bought this Sora here. I bought two. I think Sora was one of them. I'll just show you this. When it wants to, guys, yeah. So 3748, market cap 374.88k, liquidity 176, holders 5.57k. Are we going to see this today? Come on, man. Come on. What's going on here? What's happening to the connection here, this one? What's happening there? Let's have a look. That connection is not happening for some reason. Let's just go back here. Are we live? Yeah. Oh god, what's happened? That's it. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, because it's trying to find it. Maybe because I've been away for so long, it just doesn't recognize the charts no more. But we'll continue. Oh, look, yeah. Look, guys, we're back. We're back. Anyway, so I think I bought somewhere in between here. I'll just show you the daily, get a bigger picture. Yeah, so we're right down here, guys. This is where it went up to originally, up here, the 2464, and we've dropped all the way back down to what was it? 3743, yeah, 3743. So if this goes back up to the all-time high, that's 8,727%. Yeah. So I did get into this one, guys. Sorry I didn't tell you, but a lot of things were going on in my private life, and I just couldn't get on the internet and have time to tell you what I was doing. But anyway, being transparent and all that, I'm in this one. You still got time to get into this one, guys, if you want to. Not financial advice. Remember, speak to your financial advisor, because I ain't one. I'm just showing you what I'm doing for fun here. So we've come from this point here and we're heading down. So it's the second time it's touched, and it's going down to this point here. End of the year I got. So end of the year, if you want to get in a bit more as well, I think I might put a few more pounds down on this one, a few more dollars down. Got to the end of the year. So you still got time, guys. That's Sora. Sora, you still got time, yeah. The next one I bought was it was on B&B. It was the Doge B&B. What was it? This one here, Doge Wrap B&B. Yeah, it's got very high market cap, but I actually want to change it because look, we're on 645 million market cap, 1.7 in liquidity. I don't know why I don't know why I got into this one really. To be honest, it was yeah because I saw it going up from here, and I think I got in. It was only the other day, guys. It was I was away, so it was something like here. It was starting to go back up, but as you can see the trend, that's the line, the daily line it's following. If I take it to the 4 hour, yeah. If I take it to the 4 hour, yeah, it's touched here. It's gone back up. Touch this here. It's going to come back down again to this point. Let me just move this along here. So I've got it coming down to here by end of this week. What are we on now? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. No, by Wednesday, Thursday, it should come back down here before it goes back up again. So I'm just going to leave my money in on this one here and let it come to this point around the 19th of October, 18th, 19th, and we should shoot out of this triangle and straight the way back up. That's Dogecoin on Wrap B&B, guys. I've put my money in, I've put my money down, so I'm just waiting for it to go back up. Yeah, if you want to see the bigger picture, I'll just show you. It's looking good. It's looking good, guys, because it's steadily going up, as you can see from here. It's a bit slow for me because we're on a very high market cap. How much has it gone down? I'll tell you what I'm thinking of doing. I mean, it's come down a bit then. If I haven't lost too much money, I really actually want to swap or put in some money from there into the BB, which I thought I had, but I never did had. Yeah. So, because this is also on Wrap B&B, yeah. So what I might do, this one's coming down also from here. Similar sort of thing, yeah. Touch points here, 25th September and the 1st of October. As you can see from that point here, it's coming back down again. It's going to come back down here to the 8th or 9th, midweek, yeah. And then going to head back up, come back down here, and then hopefully break out and zoom all the way up. The reason why I want to get into this one, as you can see, if I just mush this over, that would be a 3,400% if it does reach its all-time high. Yeah, that's quite good. You know what I mean? Anything over 3 is very good in my eyes. Yeah, we was looking at the 1s and 2s, but now I'm getting greedy, and because I know the meme season is coming, yeah, and I'm sure you do too, yeah. So, yeah, look, if I just bring you to the daily, what's happening here? Come on, guys, come on. Yeah, look, so the all-time high is up here at 7614, or maybe a bit more than that. Where's that come down to? Yeah, you see, look, I'm going to squeeze this in just so you can see. Look, see? You see that? Sorry, my fingers. Bring this down. So that's what it was originally, yeah. Here, you can see, that was the high, and it done 3,400%. So if it goes to that or even higher, your quid's in, yeah. Don't have to put too much money in, guys. Yeah, so we'll be following this one, and as I said, you got till next week sometime. I might take some money out of that Doge B&B and put in there because we are on the same chain. That's Rat B&B for you. All right, we'll continue. Before we get into Omikami and Rio Jin, you know what happened to broccoli? Someone told me that they did get on another chain on this one, but I did look at it just was it this morning or yesterday, and I tried to do it on a MetaMask, and actually it did look to give me a swap. So I will get back into this one again, because look, the all-time high is up here, and that's 2.9, nearly free, nearly free. So it's just as good as what did I show you, that BB coin, yeah. So this is Rat B&B chain is also, we're on 1.34 million market cap, 50k liquidity, 13k holders. There's quite a few holders. I'm not too sure I like that, but anyway, you know, it's going to go up to free if it reaches its last all-time high. That's 2.9. We'll call it free. We won't mess about there. And if I just bring this down also to the 2 hour, you see where we're coming from here, yeah. We're coming down nice and easy. Made a few touch points on the trend line going down, the white trend line going down. We've got the last, 12th of October, so probably the end of next week, Thursday off to Sunday, it could reach the bottom here before it breaks out and shoots up, or it could even go down to the 14th. We never know with these guys, but coming to next week, if you want to get into this one, guys, not financial advice, I'm going to get into it end of next week. Yeah, that's another one on Rat B&B, so follow that one, if you will, with me, yeah. Let's continue. I'm a bit of a daze, I must say, yeah, guys, because I've been on the plane for a long time, and I've just come in. I haven't had nothing to eat or anything, so you got to bear with me. And I ain't got no drink here either, so my throat is a bit dry, yeah. Hope you don't mind the music too much, but yeah, it's just something to calm my nerves while I continue with this. Here's one that someone on the internet, they were showing us about the dinger. I forgot about the dinger, if you remember that one. It's a few years old, I think, now. Let's have a look. 105 market cap, 172 liquidity. It's not too much in liquidity, but it still holds up because it's 98% locked. 7.14k holders. Also on the 2 hour. Let's take it to the daily. On the daily, if I bring that over, yeah, you got it coming down here, end of October, 12th of November for this one, yeah. So it's just something to look at. Don't know when I'll get into this one. If I have a bit of change, I'll get into this one. But the reason I'm going to show you the reason why we're looking to get into this one. If it goes up to its all-time high, guys, not saying it will, just saying if. There's a big if involved in this one. Look at this. Is that it? No, that's not even it. Here, it's over here. It's right over here. And I've marked it down already. You can see. I'll just drag this down. Yeah, look, the all-time high here, and that's a 14,000.66 whatever 6% interest if it goes back up to its all-time high. So yet again, you don't have to put the whole bank on this one. You just have to put a little couple of $100 in that, and see where it's heading. If you've got some cash to spare, what is it? You got a couple of weeks yet on this one, yeah. So that could go up to 14 or whatever. So yeah, so that's another one from me. Here's another one that I still want to get into. It's what is it? It's that AI. Well, Zeus and Zayar, look, Zeus, it's gone up 31% already. Peppy's dog, that is. I don't know. Hopefully, I didn't miss that one. Let's see where it's going. Hopefully, it's still going to go down for us to get in. Yeah. Let's see. Internet is very slow. I have paid my bills. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, look. We're down here now. Let's put it on a 4-hour. That will go up to 6,000 and something. Look, I've done the price chart. That will go 6,000% if it reaches its all-time high. We're still down at the bottom. I'm just gonna stretch this. So yeah, you got in 20th of October. If it doesn't go up any higher, yeah. So that's on 1.89 million market cap, 373 liquidity, 9.36 holders. Something to look at, guys. But you got a bit of time for that one. That's Peppy's dog. That's gone up 31%. Another one is that AI, and that poison still down the bottom. Poison. I'll show you in a minute. AI pin. So this is 240 market cap, 144 liquidity, 2.226 holders, and we are still down at the bottom here. Let me just move this along. So that's like 17th to 20th. That's another one. That's another one, guys. We'll have a look at that one. But that, if it goes up to its all-time high, that's a 10. Look, that's a 10,000, nearly 11,000% high AI pin, guys. Make a note of that one if you've got any spare cash on you. And that's 100% liquidity locked, yeah? 100% liquidity locked. All right. Let's look at that poison, because poison... What's that poison? That poison, yeah? That poison, it's only 22 market cap, 43 liquidity. We're down the bottom. I don't know what's happening with this one. I think that could be it, unless it goes further down here. I mean, I've got my crossing. I've got my crossing point there on around the 15th of October. So if that drops any more, if that drops past here, which I've got my line down here at, what is it, 2092, 2092, got to watch out for on this one, poison. I did do a price check for it. It's something ridiculous, like 20,000% if it goes up. Even if it goes up half of that, that's 10,000%. But we are, guys, we are still waiting for the bottom to be in on this one, and at least it to consolidate before we put any of our hard-earned cash in this one. So that's poison. We're just looking at that one. We haven't put down any money yet. All the PulseChain network, that's going to be the last thing we do, because that's still way going down. I can just show you, though, for those who are interested, is you know, like the wrap BTC on there. Look, if you look at it here, hopefully the chart is still on there. Oh God, the chart has been wiped out. My lines have been wiped out. I'll have to come back onto that one. Let's see if I can look at most that is on the PulseChain network. Before we get to Omikami, guys, it's coming. Hold on. Most, here's the most. My line's going to be in. Yes, no, yes. All right, the lines are in, so that's something I can show you. Those who are into PulseChain. And if this one goes up, it goes into nearly 4,000%. 3.999999, whatever. Yeah. So this is still. Hold on. We're just gonna tidy this up for you. I've got two magnet lines there, which will continue. Yeah. So at the moment, I got to the 24th of November before it reaches the bottom. I'll have to come back with the wrap BTC, but this is a good one to get into. It's nearly 4,000%. If it goes up to its all-time high, just show you where we was up here around 2414. We're on 21 million market cap, 486 liquidity, 8k holders. So people must like this one. We want to get into this one after we've made a profit on our Ethereum, yeah. After we made a profit on our Ethereum, we'll get into these PulseChain network. We're just waiting for it to hit the low, and what's his face? You know, anyway, him to sort out his business and get back on the internet and start making videos about PulseChain. My brain's gone now. I'm very tired. So let's go straight to Omikami here, guys. Now, there's no panic. I know you lot are probably panicking. And what's happened is Omikami, I can't even speak now. Has Omikami failed? Has he not been bothering to put in any more cash in than he said he would? Has he bought Rio Jin yet? No, I haven't. No, I haven't, because it's not the bottom yet. Any day soon. I've been watching it. We're on 15 million market cap, yeah? It's going down. As I told you guys, don't panic. It's going down. 797 liquidity, yeah? 11.9k holders, yeah? Right, so let's start from up here. Just for those who haven't been following me before. Let's go to the daily up here. Right. What's happened here? But I don't, yeah, okay, look, it's just, don't worry about that, guys. You know my computer's slow. You know my computer's slow. So we're still, look, that's still the main trend line, that blue, light blue one now. Colors have been changed because, you know, things happen, and this laptop's pretty shit. But anyway, let's take you down to the 4 hour, yeah? We're gonna put some hope into Omikami, because you just gotta believe. And if you can believe, guys, you can achieve. So we're still down here. Remember, this blue line is the main thick trend line. I'll just change it for you now. Right. There's another one that we're following here, this white secondary trend line here also. So let's just see where it's going. So it's peaked here. It's come down. Right. So we've got loads of more magnet lines. It crossed here, down here, as you can see, with confidence that I said it was going to cross here. So we'll take these out as we go along. Right. Going to zoom in down here. Going to zoom in, guys, down here. Right. So this is on the 4 hour, guys. Look, we've come down here and we've passed all these magnet lines. I'm just going to do it slowly, taking off one by one, just to show you that we are on a downtrend, yeah? And don't panic. What are you going to do on a downtrend? We're going to buy more Omikami. Downtrend, buy more. Uptrend, sit and hold tight. Wait for it to break out. The quid's in, yeah? So all of these, you see, it broke all of these with confidence. I didn't panic. I didn't sell. I still got my bags. I didn't buy anything because I know it's still going down. Any day now, guys, I've got down here, right? This yellow, this light blue one down here, that's my bottom. I'm not going to be greedy and miss this one. So that was the second last magnet line. So what I've got down here at, what's that, 1502 roughly, yeah? 1502, this blue magnet line is the last one I've got down here. It seems to be going up from here. It could easily go back down here, or what I'm thinking, go up and come back down here for end of next Sunday onwards. Might come down to reach the bottom. But that last line here, this is where it might dip and come down here. So I will circle this for you. I'm not gonna go any lower, guys. I'm not gonna be. I know you become greedy. Greed wins the game here. That's my point. Or this line anyway, guys. This line. Let me just change that. This line anyway. The thick. That line anyway. If you see it come down here, right, or even here, guys, your quids in to get in here to make a good gains on the Omikami network. You know, it's gonna make you a millionaire. It's gonna make you rich. So anywhere here, from here onwards, down here, that's it. Look, I'll show you again what's happening with this. Yeah. It could go even down even a bit further, but like, come on, we're only going a little percentage wise. It's not worth you missing out. So that is my line, and if I follow it, we got till the end, till December, guys, before it breaks out. So don't panic, as I keep telling you guys, don't panic. So we didn't reach the bottom line here, so it could actually go up here for one more last time and come back down to the end of December and then break out. If you want to put in more money now, it's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, I keep telling you that. But me personally, this week, I'm waiting for a week to touch it and then I'm in. And I will definitely tell you as soon as that happens. We're so close now, guys. If you want to put in now, you can put in DCA in or whatever. But me, I've been trying to save, and it's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon for Omikami to hit this bottom trend line, and then just sit back and watch your gains go up. And it's your time, it's our time to be a millionaire here on Omikami Network. Yeah. So don't worry about anything else. You wait till it comes back down here, like me, if you want to, that is, and we're quids in. We're quids in, that's all I can say, guys. Let's go to Rio Jin now. Rio Jin, pretty much I think it's going to happen the same thing. It might happen slightly earlier. We're on 5.29 million now, 626 liquidity, 11,111 it looks like, 11.1k holders, and we're 100% liquidity locked. Same sort of thing, guys. This is on the 4 hour. I'll leave that and I'll squeeze that. I'll just show you bit by bit. All these lines it crossed, as I said it would. Yep, we're crossing these lines. So you've got a next one down here. You've got a next two. So this one here, I'll read it out to you. 4841. Is that 4841? I think it's 4831. It looks like. And this one, 4527. That's my bottom line here. Anyway, guys, I'll mark that for you. So when it reaches here, yeah, and when it reaches here, anywhere in between here is good to go, guys. I'll be getting into my Rio Jin at last. Yeah, if you're in, good for you. And if you're not in yet, this is what I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, guys. You can get in now, you can get in later, but this is what I'm doing. I wait for it to come down here, and we'll be quids in yet again in the mighty Rio Jin coin here for you. Let's look at the ending of this, where it could end. I'm not saying it is, but where it could end here. If we follow that blue, well, you got the main. Let me just squeeze that down. So that blue one, that blue line is the main one, yeah, and it's going down here. Let me just... You see, I've got December. I've got roughly December here. If I stretch it out, it could be, yeah, end of December. So we'll fine tune this as we go along, guys. But yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a quick look again at this. Yeah, I reckon it could go up. I reckon it could go up here and come back down, yeah. So I'll draw it in here. I will draw it in here. It could start to go back up here, like so here. Hit that, and then come back down to hit that and that. Then hit, then burst out, yeah. Then burst out. If it goes that way, yeah. If it goes that long route, yeah. That long route could be end of the year. This one could be October if it comes up here, but I think it's going to take the long route. I'm just going to leave that in for you guys, for you to look back on and to follow at your leisure. If you've got Dex tools, you should be watching this like a hawk, yeah. So let's just show you the big picture. Oh my gosh. I'll bring this down for you. Oh God, what's going on? Yeah, so this is the big picture, guys, on Rio Jin. You see it's come from there. That's the main blue trend line. And there's a few more trend lines we're following here, down in this pattern. Yeah, if I just spread that pattern here, that orange one, the orange trend line here. Let me just drag this down for you. That orange one here. Yeah, that could be going down to the 24th, something like that, or December. December, you're looking like with Rio Jin and Omikami, guys, yeah. Rio Jin and Omikami, Rio Jin. You're looking in December before it breaks out. So you still got time, guys, to get some more bags in either of those, yeah. So, yeah, you haven't missed nothing. I know I've been away. We're going to bring you more updates definitely this week, and we'll continue. I'm not going to go away anywhere now. So I'll be here, and I'll be tracking all of the meme coins. Any meme coins that you're into and they're not on here, the ones that I'm not looking at, and you think it's good because you put your money down, just let me know and I'll do a chart update and rundown on it here. Also, anything about Omikami and Rio Jin you are not sure of, or you wanna ask me, just tell me. I would like to know, guys, Omikami and Rio Jin, what you're doing with your holdings. Are you holding? Are you selling? Are you not in it anymore? Have you given up the ghost, or are you still in it? Be strong, guys. Don't give up. You know Omikami and Rio Jin gonna win in the end, yeah. So you're just gonna have to sit this one out like the rest of us, yeah. Your money's coming. Your money's good. Your money's safe. You're just gonna have to wait a bit longer, at least till December, maybe January before it bursts out. End of December, January bursts out. But when it does, guys, you know my motto, you'll be quids in, and we'll be laughing all the way to the bank, yeah. So, yeah, just be positive, guys. We can do this. And remember, Omikami and Rio Jin, they're the ones that are going to make you rich. Okay. I'd like to hear from you. And on that note, just hit me up in the comments and I'll speak to you real soon. I'll see you in a few days' time. Yeah, I'll be back. Don't worry. Peace.